Okay, so we're going to have a lot of talks about how to scrape data. I think that's going to be one of the key things we use AI for. So to get started, if you haven't already upgraded and learned how to do the plugins, go back to one of my previous videos. What we want to use for this plugin is a plugin called Web Pilot, which is probably going to be the most used plugin overall, just because that allows us to search the web. So once you have that plugin enabled, then we're going to go to a site where we want to scrape data. And for purposes of just ease, probably not a great example to show, but we're going to just go to realtor.com and pull a list of agents in my city. So let's go to Ladera, California. I don't actually know where that is. Hopefully it has more than a couple agents in it. All right, wherever it is, there's 401 agents. So if I wanted to say go through and let's make this a two-part series. So part one is I just want to scrape and get their phone numbers and their names. But step two is I want to see kind of who are the killer agents, who are the ones with the most recent deals, and with the most experience. So to do that, I'm going to collect quite a bit of information that maybe I wouldn't need if I just wanted their phone numbers. So to get started, I'm just going to copy this URL and I'm going to come here and I'm going to say, go to the website and retrieve the agent's phone number and name, and years of experience, and total number of properties sold and purchased. See how it does. I may need to revise that quote, those instructions a little bit, because that's sell, sold, activity, range, listed, a house. I don't know if it's going to be able to grab everything I want. So let's see what it found. So Chris Eckert, is that the first guy? Yep. This phone, perfect. One thing I'm curious about is if it's going to stop here at Jimmy or if it'll continue on to the next page. I don't think it will continue. Oh, it only pulled the top 5. Oh, and look, they combined it. That's interesting. So 37. So let's go him 37. Oh, sold is 37. So it didn't combine it. So it just didn't pull for sell. All right. This for this example, this might work if you just wanted to say pull everybody that's visible, but I know that it's not going to be able to click through and do next. So we're going to need to go a little bit deeper, and I'm going to show you a different software to do that. It's called, what is it called? It's called browse.ai. So I'll show that in the next video. But for now, let's just continue using Chat GPT for this example. So let's say, okay, please pull the top 20 agents and list them in a table format. Also, see if we can do some math here. Oh, I like this. 18 years, 8 months. Notice that. Oh, it doesn't show listed a house. I want to show when they last listed a house. Include the following columns. I want name, first name, last name, phone number, I don't need experience, but I want, yeah, I'll do years of experience. Uh, listed a house and properties sold. All right, I'm gonna pause that while it does it. Okay, so as you can see, it's going along here and doing this. Um, I don't really list the house. Is it all? Yeah, and I'm guessing it's because we sorted it by most recent. Um, how is this sorted? Most recent activity. Yep. I probably. Yeah, that's probably a good one. All right, so here's the table. Uh, I like how it's automatically separating out first name and last name. That's going to be beneficial later when I load them into my CRM. Uh, and yeah, I'm sure we could do a lot more things, but for this video on the basics of how to scrape that, I'm going to end this video here. Next video, I'm going to use browse.ai to show you how to pull, let's say you wanted all 21 pages, or sorry, rather all 401 realtors, how we could get that info.